Right, so I've got the Google Pixel 10 and I'll be showing you how to transfer your data from an older Android phone. So this is a setup process as we transfer our data. So for this one, I'm going to be using my older Android phone, which happens to be a Samsung phone. And so this is the setup process. So when you turn on your phone for the first time, this is the screen you're going to see. Now, besides this phone icon, this only appears here because I already have a SIM card inside. So tap on that little arrow and then select your language. So I'm going to choose my language, and then immediately it's going to ask me if I want to set up using another device. And you can see this Android phone detects that I'm trying to set up another phone. Okay, so I'm going to tap on setup. All right, and then here I'm going to, it's going to prompt this to bring a QR code. So all I have to do now is take this older phone and scan the QR code on the new phone. Now, once I scan that, it's going to ask me to verify it's me. And the only way I can verify that is to put the pattern or the password I normally use on my older phone on this new phone. So I'm going to do exactly that. And once I put in that pattern, it will know it's me. So it's going to start taking information from this phone, like my Wi-Fi connection, as you can see. And all you have to do now is just wait. Now it says updating pixel. And then it says here that eSIM is available because, like I said, I already had an eSIM here. Now, if you didn't have a SIM, you will not see this page. So I'm just going to tap on next. Now it's adding accounts from this phone into the Pixel. And then I'll tap on continue setup. Now, it's going to ask me to set up fingerprint and lock on my new phone. Now, I can do that later, so I'll just tap on no thanks. And then also it's going to ask me to set up face unlock, which I can do later, so I'm just going to skip that for now. Of course, you can set those up if you want to. Now, it's going to ask me, do I want to copy apps and data? And the simple answer is yes. So I'm going to tap on next. And now this phone says I continue setup on my Pixel, so everything now is going to happen from here. Now it's getting ready to and basically preparing all the data it can pick from this phone into this one. So now you can see it's going to copy all 130 apps, all my messages, including RCS messages, my call history, photos and videos, music and other audio, documents, device settings like Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth connections and stuff. So simply select copy. Or if there's anything you don't want, you can check and then tap on copy. And then of course you have to agree to the Google services, and then you can choose whether you want to back up or not. So I'm gonna skip that for now. And then have your warranty information. You can just skip that. The rest of it is just basically the normal setup process. So just tap on next, Gemini information, next. I can skip that for now. I'll just go turning this off now just to make this process short. And then you have your peace of mind. So your Pixel comes with safety features to help you be prepared and stay connected, like the Pixel Satellite SOS feature. So you can read that and then tap on next. Let contacts nearby find and share with you. Not now. No thanks. No thanks. Now all you have to do is wait for this phone to copy all your data into the Pixel. It says about 6 minutes left, so just be patient. So once it's done, both phones will let you know. So you can close on your old Android phone, and then on the Pixel as well, just tap on done. And you're all set. So now you can swipe up to go home, and you should have all your apps from the previous phone, all your data, let's check call history, for instance. There you go. So you have our call history intact. So everything has been transferred from the old Android phone to your new Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. It's that simple. Now, some apps like WhatsApp have to be transferred manually, and I have a video on how to transfer WhatsApp. So that's it. Thanks for watching and good luck.